When it comes to premium smartphones, Apple and Google are consistently at the forefront, and their latest releases, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro, take the competition to a new level. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro debuts the powerful A18 Pro chipset, promising unmatched performance, along with a camera control button that enhances intuitive photography. On the other hand, Google's Pixel 9 Pro introduces its Gemini AI, elevating photography and streamlining day-to-day tasks with smarter automation. In this comparison, we'll dive into how these flagship devices measure up in design, performance, and cutting-edge features, helping you determine which phone suits your needs best. Starting with the design, the iPhone 16 Pro continues Apple's tradition of luxury with its black titanium frame and ultra-thin bezels, achieved through an innovative design that reroutes display traces beneath the screen for a sleeker appearance. The ceramic shield remains a standout feature, offering double the durability compared to any other smartphone glass. In hand, it feels like a familiar yet refined evolution of the Pro lineup, sleek, premium, and robust. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro stays true to its signature style, featuring Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back for excellent protection. Its compact and comfortable design is enhanced by bold color choices like rose quartz and hazel, alongside the classic obsidian. The 6.3-inch Super Actua LTPO OLED display is another highlight, with an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring outstanding visibility even in bright sunlight. Both phones excel in design, but they cater to different tastes. Apple's polished minimalism versus Google's vibrant, eye-catching aesthetics. When it comes to displays, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro feature 6.3-inch OLED panels, but each takes a distinct approach in terms of display technology. The iPhone 16 Pro sports a Super Retina XDR display with extremely thin bezels, maximizing screen real estate without adding bulk to the phone. It offers exceptional contrast, with deep blacks and vivid colors, making it perfect for media consumption, gaming, and productivity. Apple's focus on display quality shines through in every detail, delivering a crisp, immersive visual experience. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a Super Actua LTPO OLED display, offering a peak brightness of 3000 nits, one of the brightest displays on the market. This ensures excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. While both phones feature a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Google's variable refresh rate intelligently adjusts depending on usage, helping to conserve battery life when high refresh rates aren't needed. Both screens excel, but Google's added focus on peak brightness and power efficiency gives it a slight edge for outdoor viewing. The iPhone 16 Pro boasts a 48-megapixel main sensor, capable of recording 4K video at an incredible 120 FPS in Dolby Vision, the highest resolution and frame rate combo available on any smartphone. The upgraded 5x telephoto lens, previously exclusive to the Pro Max, brings superior zoom capabilities, while the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens excels in macro photography, making this a dream for photographers. The new camera control button adds an intuitive element, allowing quick access to settings with a satisfying haptic response. Google's Pixel 9 Pro is no slouch either. Its 50-megapixel primary camera, paired with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide and 48-megapixel telephoto lens, delivers versatile shots, with 5x optical zoom and 30x super residential zoom for excellent clarity at a distance. AI-driven tools like Magic Editor and Add Me Mode bring creative editing to the forefront, while the 42-megapixel selfie camera is a standout for content creators. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the A18 Pro chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. With a 6-core CPU, 6-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, the iPhone offers blazing performance in gaming, video editing, and multitasking. The upcoming Apple Intelligence update in iOS 18 will further enhance its AI capabilities with features like photo cleanup and advanced writing assistance. In contrast, the Pixel 9 Pro runs on Google's Tensor G4 chipset with 16GB of RAM, but it falls behind the iPhone in terms of raw performance. While it handles everyday tasks competently, it struggles with more intensive workloads, like multitasking, and may experience overheating during extended camera use. Though the Tensor G4 enables Google's AI-powered features, its overall performance is behind Apple's A18 Pro, especially in demanding scenarios. Speaking of AI, Google is leading the charge with its Gemini AI. It assists with photo editing, real-time translations, and even Magic Editor for complex image manipulation. However, the constant presence of AI can sometimes feel overwhelming, and Gemini Live may miss the mark with conversation accuracy or outdated location suggestions. Apple's AI is more understated but is steadily growing. The upcoming Apple Intelligence System introduces features like automated photo cleanup and smarter writing tools. Apple's approach to AI is more subtle, offering enhancements without overshadowing the user experience. Both devices offer solid battery performance, but with slight differences. The iPhone 16 Pro benefits from the efficient A18 Pro chipset and improved thermal management, offering all-day usage even with power-hungry features like 4K video recording. The Pixel 9 Pro also delivers excellent battery life, lasting over 13 hours with normal use. However, while Google touts fast charging, the Pixel 9 Pro doesn't quite meet expectations compared to the larger Pro XL model, which offers faster charging speeds. The iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999, while the Pixel 9 Pro comes in at the same price point. However, the iPhone 16 Pro starts with 128GB of storage, which may feel limiting for those who record a lot of 4K video, but higher storage options are available. The Pixel 9 Pro offers similarly priced configurations, but with AI features that make it stand out in unique ways. In conclusion, both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro are flagship phones that cater to different strengths. The iPhone excels with top-tier performance, video capabilities, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro shines with its AI-driven photography, unique software features, and integration with Google services. So, which one is your pick? Apple's powerhouse or Google's AI-driven masterpiece? Let us know in the comments! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more content on the latest tech.